best in Chestagurt. Dúirt Líle Madrigal, hi, I can understand Irish yet just trying to get into the music hugs. Oh, good jazz, come on. Jiréide chéile. Gradually, if you watch enough TikToks and if you make an effort, you can only improve. You can only improve by the you know, Dulchan Keen is making progress. Agus baint go YouTube a gobernis goma. Dúirt cara just mar ruch cara agus there's Christian. Jesus loves you. Well, I have the Greg is a gohalane. To my cap will scussur. That's what I was dúirt Dave be our YouTube jehut Sunday. Just mar ruch Dave. Agus Marius Magoni I love Sunny, there's Damien. Oh, Misha Freshen, Sunny Clish. Oh, Sunny Jess. Nog toch een glootje, Sunny. Nog toch een glootje wootje, wacht een roodje. Ken is Sunny, dat Sunny Shea Bliana, Sunny is 6.5 years of age. That's Sunny on full line, that's on the line. He's very healthy and very fit. Nog do Scuffanta is a word we have here. Eleanor, Killin Scuffanta. So you chose it Connemara, they probably use it in Connemara as well. But Scuffanta means like fit Scuffanta. So the sunny Scuffanta. The sunny and Scuffanta. So sunny is very Scuffanta. There's Christian Cowell may aid to Glackham with Kinachin Aiden to my back. Well, Eleanor and Kunda na Gaile. There's fancy Christian Sunny Jess. Is the Macker timer Finumat? Come on, the Sunny Guide me Ijach Fanatin, this is Sunny Fanatin. The Sunny Gerva Hallett an Owler Gorgel Heart. Nimalish of a Conny Road. So the timer Finumat in the set. The timer Finumat in the set. There's Lila Magical got a leave, but I'll be back, Gormad. Slán go fáil Líle, slán go fáil sa méid tróna jazz at just Sarin jazz will be a nice Saturday evening. Slán go fáil. Dúirt own flairta, I guess, will more a Thursday heart, you know, in the series. Tá, we could bhá daine art. We had plenty of tourists around today. Not as much as yesterday, Malta, I'm sure the weather's awful. The weather was okay. We are imagine nach my cap was a fuagri. Machtrachaim she was a fuagri. It was forecast to be terrible weather. Crap weather. Agus thought it's a floch agus grifer. It's a floch agus grifers. Wet and windy. And you lay in the wachtan. Shouldn't the one and you lay in the wachtan. Shouldn't the one and agus cheer Cara and was Stadium Flores Chiat no on May Stadium Flores Chiat Bay yeah Ija Dún and a margin Jaloon Sheelam to make margin Ija Dún margin Jaloon Marganamu so Sunday night early morning early hours of Monday. A couple of like that. So na me rogan. Ní year go me rogan. I don't think it'll be too bad. Ní year go me rogan. I'll be soft on go hard sour. It'll be bad enough for summer. That's that. Yeah, mar sa tas na me. Ní year go me rogan. I don't think it'll be too bad. But soft on I never rogan. It'll be bad enough, but it won't be too bad. But soft on I never rogan. Agus was sunny vegan nach frishin. Sunny plan the bunny. Sunny is plant-based veganach. So plant-based. That's a handful and good job. Nochal sunny? What do you It's sunny, the goni geishtach. Been sunny a goni geishtach. Sunny does be always listening. That's Mara Kainch when I'm speaking. Well, cheist eile agaí chum, so tá cúgar ar TikTok agus trúr seo. or YouTube. Vi vaini smoothing in I had loads more people last night on TikTok. Vi better chaw score as king chaw score than a high than TikTok, and I had about 40 odd people yesterday on TikTok. Ach each sar mar better will dine more. Better will ruddy is far less than I dine have a brand normal live stream, so maybe people have better things to be doing than watching my live stream pages. Sure, well, mata ein hashtag go gael go o hochas native Irish speaker from Milanoran in a seir. Jenna my heel, I'll do my best. Jenna my heel ein hashtag agus matcha sunny jazz. Fan sucker means hold steady there or stay calm, stay steady there. Fan sucker sunny. Fan sucker sunny. So to close sunny sunny tasa go my kind foot. Tasa go my kind foot. Being take sunny there's my kind face. Sunny knows when I'm talking about on the hulas. The Eichlichte. The sunny Eichlichte go Joe. Sunny's very clever. Clever. Eichlichte. Sha Dúirt Dave in achtu America riamh a dúirt mar níor thugad riamh ní fós. Beidir á ma cinch ach níor mai riamh America. I've never been to America. Not yet anyway. Beidir lácinch, maybe someday I will. Ach go dtí seo níor mai riamh America. Agus cetan scéal leis an isce chuama gur gas well being gauntness iscin seo go minic. Gauntness is lack of. So being daine waibh isteach chat an a curtin osclaí am mar being daine waibh isteach an ficin chat at a live streams. People see me on the live streams that they're waving in echi. Giddy mara. Being gauntness. So gauntness means a lack of or scarcity of something. So being gauntness ishke. It in is seer gomininic mile tan reservoir need a reservoir jar and jar tan reservoir. Which I don't to go better cheicate in the martian. So it's designed for about 300 to 400 people or thereabouts. In the seer tagan go lower Turaside in the seir Gahar is gone lay. So we get loads of the reservoir here is only designed for 300 to 400 or so people, and so we get loads of day trippers. We get anything from 500 to 3,000 day trippers a day. So being galore Turaside, galore Strain Cherry, especially being galore in the fan of Chiside. So we also have lots of people, lots of families staying for a week or two in holiday homes as well, so that inflates the population. So much or the main just in dain refreshing go more than that. Sing even that dain in the sea been dain that you hide. So the population in the sea in winter time is roughly 340 or thereabouts. You hide no marshin. So sour less na cheese seed lawn agus nice golordin chuck in the sea gobush in the sea. Been posting the up and lots of people come to work here, holiday jobs, lots of students, etc. And holiday homes get filled up. So that from 340 probably goes up to for an extra 100 plus 150 at least, probably closer to 500 story. Like was in this kid in the pub and the more in the series. You have the 3 pubs in the series. We have 3 pubs. 3 pubs on in this year. We say rueti here, says rueti. So the rueti on Ostan Hotel Ostan. That's in the Chined, for Camus. Chined, he's chaffration. So 3 pubs. So look and they're very close to each other. So you could do a pub crawl easily if you want to. What's all this then? Nisa, the man shot, my catching gailgis. My thank you, Statham, General Moyel, thank you, Staggert. There's Niev. I stayed in Nisir for 3 weeks over 30 years ago and finally got to bring my family this year. Oh, intach ma, intach jas. Bejo has ma let Niev. Maybe I've spoken to you on Nisir. Maybe I met you on Nisir, Niev. Possibly, who knows? It's possible I met you. Emiliana ba. Emiliana dirty. This year, Asha, come on. Well, it's the tiny sir intach mata clonat, so Nisir is brilliant if you have a family, especially Gahadich, my yard, the Park Spraoi intach Park Spraoi playground. We have a great playground here. So the same thing because the gas suit, the pashti, so anyone with kids, it's a great Park Spraoi. Because yeah, Kang in the park in the Spraoi is far and I'd say it's one of the best Park Spraoi playgrounds in Galway, County Galway actually. So it's there's Dave in Chumag pub wine in the side with a wine a young jamet can can on so well the three for ban chi for ban was one of the three can in the pub night and well Mount Sky Aggie shot and got just leaving search by Jeremy and Mount Sky chat. Killian Morrissey says hi, George Killian, so to go ma. I'm heading a sunny chat. Fancy we do beats like it. No, it's my name. Beans like it. When I say his name, he looks up beans. He's that's English. That's sunny English to get you. The whole sunny jazz. There's fancy ma boo boo. So will I catch the leg on my baby Jan so if you have any more questions for me by my gummocht, I'll be leaving in about 10 minutes or thereabouts. Chakar law, come up. There's Killian Marcy, Hutch, I think just what Hutch Killian. There's Sky. Hi, mate. That's a very nice dog you have there. What's his name? Sunny Cliste. Fansucker. Fansucker Sunny. So Sunny Cliste. Up. Big Jasnis, Fansucker, come on, Sunny. Come on. Fansucker. Yes. I love Sunny art. Sunny likes the attention. So there's my item. There's my item. Being like when I say his name, he knows. So there's avourig. There's avourig. Not avourig. Pop. That's it. There's avourig. Come on, Sunny Jazz. Do you pronounce Gaelge? Gaelic. Nihigim? Gaelge, Jeremiah. I say Gaelge. Jerem Gaelge. He's he's beautiful. I love dogs. Oh, that's Sunny Gloche. Sunny in Gairis Cliste. Agus is Gloche. Downward. Oh, thank you, Arthur Father, Dave. To my cap go night in Sunny let freshen. I think Sunny agrees with you as well. Up. You get just in Sunny. Well, go Gail gig Sunny. Oh, ta. Like the Holik last like Sunny is Tigelke. So nearly every trick, pretty much every trick Sunny has is Tigelke. Find a couple of cash to char TikTok near come at force. Cechainartar Jeffur in Traus. So German, so the Irish on Ilanar and are in a sayer anyway. We say Traus. We don't really say Trefur. Trefur is the Irish word for sister, but we say Traus. A lot of non-native speakers find it very difficult to pronounce, to say that word. Traus. Tirad is brother, Tirad agus Tirad, brother and sister. So you much Tirad. Complicated. And there's Savannah. Would you be able to live on mainland after your life on the island? No. Ilan nach machine il seem da lie that marach an island. I have no interest living on the mainland. I'm an islander through and through. Any vet on the island ta. Trade Leah is the Irish word for vet. Get Luke. go bhín an ran tú mar chaidir dúchas go gairn na policy atá leis na gailf. The bhil is caithfar rud a cinse an le caiid an gailge na caiinte dúchas chosaint. So bhí caithfar rud a cinse dionas as ceirtim gohfuil tamsin mar cuiste planal tean go I'm on the committee for the language planning here on in the Seer, and we're be much policy a bhaim no generar through the bhaim go méid na jamó agus marsúd mar ceim go mu an rud a cinse. I think we're doing something mar leúna déb in na jamó go príomhrod go mé gaig go bha go gaig na saoir gaig na saoach gaig go hús fíorcha na saoach san é gachrod is he good guard. Well, tá se go maige doras tá se go maige doras. He's good at the door, sanny. Said no store bell ma, so been se go maige doras. Sin an mean nach tá Jack Russells chat go ma been Jack Russells go maige doras. Jack Russells are always good at the door, so tá sunny go maige doras. Nach san an mi tú tafan is to bark. Been sunny tafan that means stinning it get doras. Was talking to someone from Guitoir and they pronounce Gaelic instead of Gaelic. That's how they pronounce it. Gaelic. Gaelic or Gaelic. I don't speak Gaelic, but it's my late granddad's first language. There you reminds me of him. There's Queenie the Dalmatian. Oh, come on, small much nach hostel. I like to hear that. It's come on, intach. Come on, very good. Sunny fancy that daine even more. It's daine more riecht was when he sees people kind of running sort tubban kind of sudden he gets annoyed ní maiile sin ach dúirt tú dáin tá scríomh tú dair fós dúirt tú né go nunach. Bhfuil béidir máideach nó áú máideach tá leabhar má tá leabhar felliocht am. Tá leabhar felliocht am. I have the poetry book. Béidir go léifh me dána mai air le mair go gairid. I might read during this live stream. But feice me gairí dearnach cimméid ní fáiceach genú mat sa Craila Bills. I've only about 10 minutes left in the live stream, so feice muid. Mar níana me ná duna me máir nó ára máirecha. Sanna tráur. Jack Russell, Gair Jack Russell. Sunny Cred sin a tain go ha cechainirtar trúr agus tlí trúr. Trúr for 3 people. Trúr. Sin tlí DLI for the tlí. So trúr TRIU for the 3 people, and then tlí DLI for this law, the law tlí. Tlí, so you pronounce it. An main to stick on the guy for me. Ní bhí me gaile rófinnig aideach sa ríis beidir. Would be me gaile beidir would chuile sé seach ní nó would chuile chábhí beidir. I go to Galway maybe once a month, once every month and a half, something like that. Ní bhí me gaile rófinnig. Michelle Nally, any nice place to stay with a dog for visitors. In a Sayer is a good place to bring dog, if you have a dog. Rather the whole near more here. Near idea. Well, then I saw get down with him a couple of me when I was younger. I had a few months but no, it's enough, but Barnum of Adva in a Sayer. I much prefer to be on an island than on the mainland. There's Michelle. I used to have a Jack Russell crossed with a rocker, with a cocker cross for 12 years, but yet she has passed away. Oh, she'll throw you a shin. Ah, yes. But the other sin. And it's us, isn't it? Care the thought in on the Gaelge. Well, that you might got to run Gurma, Tréide go brach, there's Keith Leo. Gurma, Slangafol Keith. Have a Chihuahua now. Oh, come on. Well, just a good Chihuahuas, come on, get Doris Fish, and I think Chihuahuas are good at the door as well. There's Derek Slán, agus Gurma. Slán, Derek, Slán. There's Sunday, fan sucker, my boo boo. Tá sé sanna mí aideach Tá sanna mí aideach me te gur tá sé gur mar se te gur sinna S mar ní féile mar am go se fiáin. Is máilm play agus Spraoi á go má cara go má. Tá mar tá play agus Spraoi se ar YouTube an te se TikTok as YouTube mar se play agus Spraoi agus an chiilenach gur mad má mar na chluiste gur máidir maioch Tá mé gur an DT cuil seig se chluistead má as dear nu masas chun dáta te. Cinsart aibre bhí an Steine na héile well bí múteidí daoine péidir na báid tá cóchaman te bhíon daoine fustaigh gáchaman with a co-op which employs people. Tourism is huge tarsáireacht na báid the boat companies playing freisin fustain tesin go leor daoine so tá muid an go más a go leor daoine freisin an aibrú a Spraoi so lots of people are able to work from home as well. An Idirlín caiideann Idirlín sách maid so the internet broadband is decent here so people are able to work from home as well so the local co-op employs people. The pubs tourism is huge, the boat services, the plane service, etc. that employs and the scoil, the meán scoil is bun scoil. Most of the teachers there and the staff are all islanders. So tá go leor fustaíocht nó roinnt bha fustaíocht an seo in na saoir dúirt Andrew Kisal idir dúd dechuit Andrew san go tú má. Se bhfuil cin támin muid timer mar se chuidim tá muid an indra time inis so we're in indra time now so tá mar chur chúdnúma a chúdnúma ar a stopwatch at a timer sunny fansachar so tá chúdnúma fáca inis so there's 5 minutes left. Tesco delivery to the island I know tá is féidir Tesco áile te tagan sé a bád lastas is cargo boat. So what is your name on YouTube? Play agus Spraoi. So PLE fada agus Spraoi AGUS and then Spraoi SPROI Play agus Spraoi. That's me on YouTube. Agus an podcasts agus físean níos fuide mo YouTube. So I do kind of longer form videos and podcasts on my YouTube, and I'm planning to do more longer form videos as well. There's Dave came amacht ta ma mon mochid teachta dhéanna agus atam mochar. Oh come on Dave. So we're going to do this Dave to some EJS at ES true Bhí muid fice me is a ché creile beolú tásúlam. I'll see you in the next live stream. Slán Dave. Agus nó níl ceist cin YouTube John Cahill cheanna me leabhar do bhainm leabhar na ag well a couple of blianach in spáileach an fliachta ionintach é bhulainn áil. Go má sé nuidir má se go má cama sin ceall. There's Caribbean, Eva agus Colosav, Eva Caribbean, so my age asset. So I'll be here for another 5 minutes anyway. So if anyone, Michelle Nally, founder, thanks. So to Michelle Nally, our TikTok is our YouTube. Javich Michelle, how's it going, Michelle? Doesn't want to go ma our YouTube in it. V to our TikTok nis to our YouTube. So that's what to go ma. Yeah, so you have 5 minutes. The whole number that you're in Hain agus Sunny. You have 5 minutes left to ask me any question or Sunny question. What's your favorite song? There's Adam. Neil Sam, when it's just Kestvash, and that's a good question. I'd have to think of it. Smailm glóra and Smailm Well, Eleanor Narone, Eleanor Narone, I like Eleanor Narone a lot. Is my tá go óráinna Táinnar mar óráinna lerá go bheith cean stiisilam cean Sansalam. There's too many songs, good songs to say my favorite. Branch in a law some one day brat a mood chu mar gaiireachtal be ar an lá na bháin an láile beidir dear nó an eile a branch a law. It depends on the day or my mood. I might choose one song over the other. Ach, mar hat a chead an nóma deile fáci, so 4 more minutes left in the live stream. Cruile Bill, agus me bailum. Yeah, there's not as many people on the streams tonight. It's a Saturday night, so there's not as many people, I'd say. And people have more, probably better things to do than to be on my live stream. So, yeah, it's come up. Is it just the campsite visitor that you can stay with their dogs? Well, being the B&Bs on the units Ligan Sky, I think there's a few B&Bs that let dogs in. I think Marmaganamu. Yeah, there's a few B&Bs that let dogs. Branch at a B&B. It depends on the B&B. Not all B&Bs. So is definitely still open. On Shamrock, Stephanie Shamrock. Sheelam Gowood, I think my Kappa Gowood. I think she, the B&B, yeah, to my Kappa Gowood, I think so. Yeah. Chafaz Olasum, as far as I'm aware, I think she's open, yeah, I think so. Neil McKinch, I'm not certain, I don't know. I think Shamrock, they allow dogs, I mean the Shamrock linking to the guide. Go in the fault in the guide. There's John Cahill, Gurmaleshkal, ach, the Creole like an arm came the Cololano, Colodano law. I was really. Brian, near your main Creole bow, let's go. You might can't necht, which a couple of shot and revision you might can't. Just Brian, check your 9 inch me. I just do a live stream when I feel like it. Near it ain't near ain't claw but there's no timetable or just. Not einings me. Na the violence and phone me. Na the violence and phone me. When the mood hits me, na the violence and phone me. Then being phone or me Creole bow, you know. That's fidel me. Yeah, come on. Cause sin timer catch. I come a couple of dele which but much fish a shaft no so we're 27 minutes into the stream, so I'll do it at 30 minutes anyway. So I'll do another few minutes. So you have 3 more minutes to ask myself and Sonny any questions here. There's my hand, we get to toss again. Nach will Sonny, there's my hand, was toss again, is got my kind free. Toss you my kind free. Sonny Jazz. Well, Kestaki come hey, no good Sonny Jazz. Well, I catch that. Well, you're do Sonny. Tá sunny bar. Fansucker. Tá sunny geochel amach a shayna. Ach, ní fo ach ní le tan aimse tá chach again aimse the weather's awful here. Jack floch a chemishes. Tá se floch agus floch agus goifer. Up cur fin. Ma Corach raises tomorrow in Nishman. Shabe Rossi Corach Amar in Nishman. There's Lisa said hi, Jahaj Lay Lisa. Gus Killian Marson will which in the land it's rang in the lean. Well, be my hand in the rang and the Oham Gaham ni I do classes myself imagine the rang and the Monium guy Zoom. Ach Ni main rang is la ska. I haven't done any classes for a while now. For ska, I'll be my piekloch so sour. I do be very busy piekloch, PRI for the OCLSCH piekloch. I do be very busy in summertime. That's my summertime is my busy time. But I need more on I'm rang in the ach better fui hound, so maybe around end of Jeremy over maybe me in the sound I kind of get more free time then late October, November. Ach fwy láir tá mapríachlach, so mí lúnas agus mouth-over, so, August right up to September, I'm very busy. Leis na straint seolaí sin tíochan mar se. Jar mar cháú a deile sin be meid gomat. 2 more minutes and then I'll be off. Mar se bhfuil ceistile a go chum. Bei na Rossi Corach chat in the Sire chat de Hugan. So anyone who's interested in watching Corach rowing races can come to the Sire. Can come to the Sire next weekend. You'll see some of the best rowers in the country on show. There's been the Nationals. The Nationals will be here and in the Sire. So people from all over the countries, Connemara, Cundachlair, Donegal, Mayo, etc., will be participating here on in the Sire next weekend. So you want to see the best Corach rowers, you'll have to come to the Sire next weekend. There's Michelle, when was the Corach on Inishmaan? Márach, I think there's Corach racing on Inishmaan tomorrow. First tomorrow, yeah, Márach. I might leave it there, mar se, but go fácam with it sinne, mar se. Cearcolóir. Any more last questions before I end the live stream? Creile beo, bhfuil ceistile aige, bhfuil ceistile aige chunne, a timetable changes on tomorrow, and I live in the Curragh, County Kildare, Curragh racecourse near me. There's Angie Baby. Come on. Although it's a different type of Curragh. The Curragh Yarrow, the Giumra. Very good stuff, boss. Have a good evening. It's very nice, like mush. Kilmar sigur mat. Okay, Carcolo, better go back and with it. Call Sunny and me. That's Sunny in the Sunny. You're much song is Sunny Hrat. Sunny. You're near a Sunny slot. Suas. Yes. You just Suas. Mar se bhfuim héin agus Sunny. Bhfuim héin agus Sunny iste. You're much slán go fóil. Mar se slán chola in this slán.